coin, again, I'm not really sure why these companies decide that they don't need to come out and pre-announce. I think it was really good that Walmart did it, but they're talking about streamlining operations, recalibrating hiring plans. I mean, these are the buzz terms, okay? Just to put it in perspective, sales were off by about 5%, but they doubled their loss. So they're supposed to lose $2.68. They lost close to $5. Like, to not come out and state that your expenses are going to be greater than anticipated, if it's that material, you should be saying something ahead of time. Now, if you look at the after hours, this is exactly what I'm saying that you should be looking for. So what you're seeing a lot happen with these names, usually it's the algos and the HFTs after hours, high frequency traders. But what they're doing is they're running these up, and now look how fast this is. You see 2 bars there, right? But take a look at this. Okay, it's really on a minute chart. This happened in less than 2 minutes, where they just ripped you up, right? About 10 points, scare the heck out of everybody, take everybody's stock, and then they just knock out the legs, right? And now you're basically flat. But if you know where your levels are, and what I would recommend that you start using as a level is the previous day's high, you can kind of get a sense for how they're going to act. And when they get to that, you know that you already have somebody else that's sitting up there and maybe they're going to want out. And that's when you're starting to find these little spots where you can get these trades off and get an edge. I would just say that you might want to do that. And just a little bit of advice. I'm noticing that what we're dealing with right now, shorter time frames or longer time frame charts are working. Anything that's like 15 minutes lately, if you're just trying to trade, it's been very brutal with lots of failed moves. But so if you like this clip, click on the left to watch another one, or if you want to see the entire video, click on the right.